Hello students, let's solve this question. Two masses Ma and Mb, where Ma is given as it is lesser than Mb, are weighted using same weighing machines. The measured value, the options given to us are comparing absolute error, relative error in Ma and Mb. If we read out these options, you have comparison of absolute error or relative error in measurement of Ma and Mb. So let us first discuss what will be relative error and what will be absolute error in these measurements. As the machine is same, the instrument is same, the reading will have same absolute error. Why? Because when there is no multiple reading and their averages, then definitely in a single reading by an instrument, the error is equal to least count of instrument. So the masses are measured with the same machine. So the error, whether it is error in A or error in mass of B, the absolute error in mass of A and mass of B should be same, which is equal to least count of the machine. It should be equal to least count of the machine. Hence, now it is clear that the absolute errors in mass of A and mass of B, which is equal to least count of the machines, should be equal. Now we need to look for the option which is saying this absolute error is same for both, absolute error is same for both. This is given in option A and B. Then in option C and D, it is there is comparison of absolute error. Option C is saying it is greater for Ma and option D is saying it is greater for Mb. Then definitely these two options are wrong. These two options are definitely wrong. There may be A or B correct for this question. Now, if you read out the options, relative error is greater in Ma or lesser in Mb, or relative error is greater in Mb or lesser in Ma. There is given comparison of relative error. We need to look for the definition of relative error in order to find out the correct option. So, relative error is defined as absolute error in a physical quantity divided by its measured value. Now, absolute error is same for both the quantity. So, definitely the measured value, if the measured value is more, the relative error will be less. If M is more, then this relative error will be less. Relative error is less. Now, if you read out the question properly, it's already given that mass of B is higher. Since mass of B is higher, then relative error in B will be lower. Relative error in B will be lower. So this is given in the option A. Hence option A should be correct. Thank you.